everyone, how are you? Hope you all are doing good. And here is a new review that is a Banklify. Yeah, and it is a product, it is a software in which you are going to get passive income from the ClickBank super affiliates. So let's see its overview. It is just a push button app, gets you free buyers traffic and automatically creates done for you ClickBank money sites loaded with pre-approved affiliate offers. Yes, a lot of beginners have been facing the problem of getting a commissions, right? But here they are going to do all for us. They are giving the free bonus, that is get Banklify hosting app, Banklify lifetime autoresponder app, Banklify lifetime cloud storage app, and Banklify website builder app at no cost when you grab Banklify today. So yes, and they are giving absolutely great software in which we are going to get everything. And moreover, they are saying that enjoy passive income from the hottest offer on ClickBank. Wow, this is cool thing. And next, one click traffic getting content creation tool included. Auto create a DFY ClickBank website with 100% automated content. Wow, 100% done for you. Unique ClickBank affiliate sites. Optimize it to rank as one on Google at the press of a button. Web based app, so there is nothing to install. Free domain blazing, fast hosting included, automatically get approved for all affiliates you promote. Free commercial license included, 30-day money back guarantee. And yes, we are going to get this product at just for $17 at one time, and we don't need to pay for every month, or we don't need to buy any upsell or downsell. So it is a very simple thing. We can buy this and get automatically passive income from the ClickBank products. So here is a simple 4-step process. That is, one, choosing a site template, it is absolutely free. And next, entering a keyword to fetch your unique keyword regarding the product which you select. And next, input your ClickBank ID, and you have to give your ClickBank ID to that template and that product link. So it is also free. And next, press save to auto rank to your site to number one on Google. This is so much simple and it is automated, and it is also giving the content, and it is going to refresh the content by 24/7, so we don't need to work on every day and night. Next, after using 4 step of one of our beta tester ranker got his post on Google page one. So here we can see the great results. And yes, next, it is all-in-one solution for done for your ClickBank affiliate sites. Yes, unique content in seconds, optimize it to rank as one on Google, multi templates to choose from, and self content based, 100% automated sites, free hosting and domain included, no monthly fees. Next, works on Windows, Mac, and mobile phones. This is absolutely super. And next, we are going to get it for only $17, and I am going to give my premium 10 bonuses for you, which are very valuable, and I'm going to give them for you for free. I'm going to explain them at the end of the video by opening their dashboards also. So let's get into this more. And we know that so many members have been struggling by creating a passive income, right? And yes, they are saying that how much I have worked, how much I invested, how many times I tried. Yes, but also we don't get any results, right? So for this, it is a good news. They are doing a great work to give us a passive income by automatically giving a content and doing everything. And have you ever heard about a ClickBank? It is also the affiliate system in which we are going to get products, digital products, and also the physical products, in which we don't need to wait for the approval of the products. We automatically get the affiliate links and we promote it and we get the commissions weekly. And next, ClickBank is a $1 billion opportunity. Absolutely it is. And next, but there is a big problem that yes, we have a problem regarding the funnels, traffic, conversion tracking, writing emails, writing articles, and the building websites. But here is a solution, that is this Banklify. It is going to do that. And so many freelancers are getting paid for very small things. That is, I will write an excellent article in German. Yes, for just writing an article, uh, she has been paid for not $5, and yes, it is very much valuable. So here is a solution which it is going to solve the problems, and we can say goodbye to struggle with traffic, finding the right offer, building funnels, building website, building content, writing emails, and more. And here is Banklify automated DFI bank ClickBank affiliate sites that gets commission on autopilot. So yes, we are going to get 100% automated set and forget sites. One click auto rank on Google page number one. Self updated with fresh content. Multiple themes to choose from. Hosted for 100% free. We will buy you a domain name. That is really crazy. And it is very simple, and we can do it in 4 step away. That is just choosing a template and giving a keyword, just inputting your ClickBank ID, and just say to auto rank on number one in Google. Yes, it's really simple, and we are going to get this for only $17. So yeah, and these are all overview. That is, enjoy passive income from the hottest offer on ClickBank, and automatically get approval for all affiliate offers without begging vendors to promote. Yes, next, one click traffic getting content creation tool included, and create one click DFY ClickBank money sites under 50s. And next, 100% done for you, unique ClickBank affiliate sites. Automatically add fresh ClickBank articles every day, hard coded with your affiliate links. Yes, this I had said you. Next, optimize it to rank on number one on Google at the press of a button. Easily customize it the site and manage all articles from your backend, and which is all it is giving 100% free, and it is only one time price, that is $17. And you are also going to get my 10 premium bonuses. They are the software and the products where you going to learn much more and more. I'm going to open them and show you. So yes, when you are going to buy this product from my link, you are going to get those all bonuses. So let's see them. Here is all. You can see no monthly fees, free hosting a domain included, works on websites, I mean Windows, Mac and mobile phones. Yeah, here you can see all the results of the persons. Yes, yeah, it is giving a early bird price, that is 78% off. That's crazy. You have a two choices, that is a figure it yourself and take the shortcut. Yes, you can select one of them. And let's revisit getting today with Banklify. You're going to get Banklify web app, Banklify one click auto rank technology, Banklify free hosting, Banklify free domain name, automatic get approval for all affiliate offers plus one click site builder technology, Banklify unlimited commercial license, Banklify training, fast action bonus 1, fast action bonus 2, 3, 4, 5, and total value of everything is $7,283. But now you are going to get this for one time, and you don't need to pay for anything. And next time, where you don't need to pay for monthly also, you are going to get this for only $17, and it is having a 30 days money back guarantee also. And if vendor rejects to give refund to you, then I will personally refund your money, so you don't need to worry about it. Yes, here is a bonus 3, 4, 5 they have explained, and yes, it is a 30 days money back guarantee. These are the frequently asked questions, and yes, that's it. Let's see my bonuses. Yeah, you can see after buying the product, you are going to redirect it to this page where you are going to see these are all the products I am going to give you as a bonus. So let's see easy traffic blueprint access. Let's open this. Yes, you're going to see this dashboard where you're going to get everything. Yes, you're going to go have access to Facebook group, YouTube channel, and here is a training. You can see. Yes, here are all the trainings you're going to get, which is absolutely free. You're going to get. And next, Let's see another product that is a number one list secret. Yes, here is a course you are going to get, by which you are going to learn that how to set up the accounts, finding the offers, set up campaigns, creating ad assets, conversion boost method, build your email list, bonus traffic source, conclusion, and more. And you are going to learn more about it. Yes, I hope you understand. And the profit racket, here it is a software you are going to learn. And Exitus free traffic mastery, you are going to learn how to get the free traffic and everything. And next, the formula 10k. Let's see. Yes, here is a formula 10k, that how to get $10,000 per month without any hard work and by just creating a videos. I had seen this also, and he's giving the excellent training. I am giving this for my customers very free as a bonus. And it is a AdSense revolution you are going to learn. And this, it is a ClickFunnels product actually. I am giving this for you free, and you can create your account by giving your details. Yes, here is a AdSense revolution. You are going to get 24 hours income plan, success websites, niches and domains, and everything whatever you want, what you require for your business. So yes, content research, production, publishing, monetization, and the Pinterest series. You are going to learn everything regarding the Pinterest and the native ads, growth, much more and more. Next one is the Limitless Breakout Code 2.0. Yeah, here also you can give your own email ID and password and enter. Yes, here is a product. You can see the overview and the affiliate product, that is how to find the hot products to promote, how to get approval to promote your hot products, recommend products to promote. And next, about the funnels and the email marketing and the traffic, how to get the traffic through paid ads and the free also. And the bonus resources they have giving it that license rights to breakout code 1.0, and the bonus funnel and follow up swipes, so you're going to get support also. And next, it is a limitless bonus I'm going to give, that is where you are going to learn completely that offer and the traffic source, and how to get the $1,000 on ad credit, landing pages at the funnel, spying on competition, and redirect page and code. You're going to learn everything on the keyword campaign setup, offer tracking, and the negative keywords, finding the golden nuggets. And next, a free traffic case study, limitless free traffic hack. And moreover, you are going to get fast implement checklist also. And yes, you're going to see this, join the CPA network, and you can get access to the personal Facebook group and digital online academy also. And yes, these are all the bonuses I'm going to give you for free. So yes, go and purchase the product, which is going to be very useful for you. And yes, Banklify, we have seen the overview of this product, and which is going to give us a passive income from the ClickBank offers. And we don't need to do any hard work in this, which is giving us for early bird price, that is 78% off, that is only $17. So there is nothing to lose. You are going to get a 30 days money back guarantee, and also my personal refund policy. So you don't need to worry about your money, just get benefits from my product and get benefits from my bonuses. I wish you very good luck. Thank you.